y'all, it's Brittany and I'm back with another video, and this is my rendition of Arian's makeup from Love and Hip Hop. This is her makeup that she wore on the reunion show, and this is just my recreation of it. Y'all, when I saw her makeup, I just feel deeply in love. It's so beautiful and she is just so gorgeous. This video is also a collab with Princess Shay. Once again, we will be doing many more collabs, so stay tuned for that. But we decided to recreate Arian's look, and I cannot wait to see what she did and how she did it. I can't wait to see. I just pinned up my hair because Arian's hair was like, you know, it's short, and so she had like a finger wave type of thing going. This might fall any minute now because there's one bobby pin in there. I just threw it up there for a little bit. But anyway, I used all affordable, all like drugstore and beauty supply items or whatever to create this look. And I really hope you guys do enjoy the tutorial and like the look. Thumbs up if you do. I will link Princess Shay's video and all her information down below. And I will list all the products that I used down below as well. And stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.